Whether it's your residence, storefront, or commercial building, when sunshine passes through windows, costly issues arise. Temperatures escalate, creating discomfort, heat imbalance, and complaints. Your cooling system works overtime to remove solar heat, shortening its lifespan and causing your energy bill to climb even higher. UV rays, daylight, and heat cause expensive fade damage to fine interiors, artwork, and floors. On top of that, annoying glare creates eye strain, making it difficult to see computer screens, disrupting productivity. Blinds and drapes become a heat source, and closing them just puts you in the dark and blocks your view. But what if you had one product that could solve all these issues and make your glass more shatter-resistant? A proven solution from a world-class company you know and trust. Presenting 3M Window Films. Now, with the professional application of 3M window film to your existing glass, you can be more comfortable and secure, save money, and reduce fade damage, all while enjoying your view. Window insulation that's engineered to be both safe and effective for single, double pane, and low E glass. Available in a broad spectrum of products designed to suit your preferences, these multi-beneficial durable films are backed by a comprehensive warranty from 3M and feature remarkable total solar energy reduction, nearly total UV elimination, almost complete infrared heat rejection, and notable winter heat retention. With performances like these, it's no wonder the EPA's Energy Star Manual cites window film as your best opportunity to save on cooling and heating loads. 3M window films are a component of LEED Sustainable Design, earning credits from the U.S. Green Building Council. Utility rebates and tax incentives may also be available. While all 3M sun control films offer exceptional return on investment value, Prestige Series does so without changing the appearance of your windows, inside or out. Invisible protection, clearly superior technology, perfect for homes, offices, historic structures, and storefront glass. Other remarkable 3M window films include 3M Safety and Security window films. Protect people and property from the hazards of flying glass and debris for areas that are particularly susceptible to extreme weather, earthquake, crime, or terrorist threats. 3M Fasara decorative films, so you can enjoy privacy and improved aesthetics in conference rooms, lobbies, or anywhere enhanced design and added privacy are desired. And 3M anti-graffiti films, to protect glass from various forms of vandalism. Reduce utility costs, improve comfort, preserve interiors, increase safety, and do it with confidence using window film products from 3M, the original inventor and world leader in advanced window film technologies. Your authorized 3M window film dealer is Michigan Glass Coating. Want to see how effective 3M window film can be? Contact us. We'll be glad to show you.